Good morning to everyone. This question paper is Numerical Methods, April 2018 question paper. So first of all, take the question papers, 2 mark, part A. Write the Lagrange's interpolation formula for unequal intervals. We know very well this formula is y equal to f of x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, up to so on x minus xn divided by x0 minus x1 into x0 minus x2, up to so on x0 minus xn into y0. This is the Lagrange's interpolation formula for unequal intervals. Second one, prove that del equal to e minus 1. What is mean by del? Del is the Newton's forward difference. So, del f of x equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. This is the Newton's forward difference formula. So, f of x plus h means e of f of x. F of x means 1 into f of x. So, e minus 1 into f of x. So, del equal to e minus 1. Third one, form the divide difference table for the following data: x, y. X values minus 1, 0, 1, 3. Y values 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Answer these questions. X, y. So x means x value minus 1, 0, 1, 3. Y value means 2, 1, 0, minus 1. So del y. Del y, what is mean by del y? Difference. What is mean by difference? Y1 minus y0. So 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. 0 minus 1 equal to minus of minus plus 1. 0 minus of minus 1. Okay. So del square. This is also same the continuous tables. Fourth one is using trapezoidal rule. Evaluate integral 1 to 2 dx by x. Solution: y of x is equal to 1 by x. Integral 1 to 2 dx by x is equal to, this is the trapezoidal rule formula, h by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 of 0. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. So 3 by 4. Write the integration formula for Rambridge method. This is the formula for Rambridge method. I is equal to I2 plus 1 by 3 I2 minus I1. Write the second order RK method. RK method means Ranguta method formula.